All right, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's Friday. This weekend is the Cheat River Island fly-in. It's one of my favorite fly-ins in West Virginia. It's a great time, great people, and we were hoping to get out there. Unfortunately, the weather didn't cooperate, so we are gonna call it a night. We're gonna go to dinner and then try again tomorrow. The weather doesn't look great, but it looks a lot better than today. So hopefully we can take y'all along, fly to my favorite fly-in, and film some on the way in. Stick around, and yeah, you guys will have fun on this one. All right, the weather has cleared out a little bit. Clouds are still here, but it looks a lot better than it did last night. So I'm gonna try to load up and get out to Cheat Island. One of the things that I kind of skip over a lot of the time when I'm packing for some of these bigger trips, especially just when I have all my gear and Shannon and Charlie, is weighing all my stuff. A lot of people kind of skip over it when they film, and it just is a boring part of it, but it's something you should do and you should do every time. So what I like to do is use the bathroom scale. And what's easy is I just grab as much stuff as I can and I weigh that. And then I just weigh myself as a tare weight. I subtract and, you know, take out what the weight of myself is. So I weigh myself and Shannon and then the dog, and then I weigh all the gear, add it all up, figure out what's going on, and then fuel as well, obviously. So yeah, I just, it's a simple method, but it works for me. And that is just a simple bathroom scale. So you just take this weight, and I have a dry erase board over there, and I'm just gonna write it all up on the wall. So this is about as much as I can get on the first round here. What do we got? Not touching the ground, about 40 pounds. So all of this stuff weighs about 40 pounds. So I set it in a separate pile and I go for the next. And I weigh everything. I mean, I'm not skipping out here. $24. Track of stuff. So 19, 24, 40. I'm 200 will weigh Shan, Charlie. Cooler is still in there. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Simple, easy way to make sure you're not going to take off overweight, especially when you're going into a backcountry strip. You really want to be below your max gross weight, especially when it gets hotter or higher elevation. Everybody knows that kills your performance. So it's something you need to do, and it's something I've been leaving out of these videos because I thought it was boring, but kind of the planning side of things. Come on.
Get it. Get it. Come on.
This is bad. Boy, come on, Charlie. Up. You're kind of up. There you go. All right. We've got the walk around done. Pre-flight. Clear.
My horizons are rising up to see. I'm finding out just fine.
And we got a high rep. The weather's looking good. Here we go.
I'm looking out.
Traffic, Cessna 170B, Charlie, departing runway 21.
My own desert home.
You're gonna say something, Charlie?
Checking all those creatures passing by.
Lights are on, flaps are set, clear.
And as the way back to your heart widens all the time, it's the first soft light of the shy desert morning that reminds my blood to come alive. Don't take me downtown with these worn out shoes. There's no place for my bag. I'm heading out. I don't need no news. There ain't no use for that where I'm going. And that's the way back to your heart. It widens all the time. It's the first soft light of the shy desert morning.
All aircraft inbound to Cheat River. We have a 182 departing runway 13. It'll be southbound along the river. And Cheat Island, Cessna 34 Charlie, overhead at 3600. I see that departure traffic, back taxi now. 3-1 at the moment. Roger, we'll be looking for you. We're staying out of the canyon for now until we get closer and get the all clear.
10-4. He could hear you and he was trying to communicate, but I think you're still too far out. Yeah, we'll probably get him just a mile or two. And 3-4 Charlie's overhead, Cheat Island. And I've got you in sight, Skylane. I'm directly north of you at 3,000.
Roger, Skylane, we're going to head to the southwest. And I've got you in sight.
Copy that. I do as well. I'm going to turn inside you. All right, Cheat Island, Cessna 34 Charlie is turning final in the canyon.
Don't take me downtown. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no,
We're here, we landed, we parked, we got a good parking spot. People are taking off, Shannon's coming over, and we're gonna grab some lunch, hopefully, here in a second. We're right on the river, which is a great spot. All right, we got the tent set up. Look at this dog, look at him. All right, we're set up. I was gonna wait, but it's probably gonna storm here in a little bit, so we're set up so we can keep everything dry. Still plenty of people taking off and arriving, so that's nice. And then we'll get some food, and I'll go around and say hey to everybody. We got some lunch. We got this wild dog. How is it?
It's delicious.
You want some? All right, we are walking Charlie down to the river so he can play. Come on. Good boy. All right, it started. It's raining. It's like 1:30. We ate, we walked down to the river. Charlie has been retrieving sticks nonstop. What do you think, bud? A couple planes are taking off. People are trying to beat the rain out of here. And we're gonna walk back to the tent, maybe get my rain jacket on. You gotta wave.
Wave.
All right, it's clearing up. I see some blue sky out there. It's looking better.
I like this. Dry some stuff off.
All right, so the storm has passed. It's sunny and nice out for a little bit, and Charlie's playing in the water again. I'm gonna try to throw a line in the water and not having much luck yet, but I'm using dry flies, looking for some trout, but we'll see what happens here. Go, go. Go. What you making?
Ramen with green beans.
All right, it's another gorgeous evening. Everybody's settling in, we get the fire going and having some drinks, hanging out, and it's just gorgeous out. You can see a little bit of fog starting to build off the water over there. A little bit right here. There's definitely some moisture, but it looks so good. Sunday morning, it's getting windy. It's a beautiful day though, clear clouds and you know, no rain. So everybody's heading out. Been a lot of planes departing, and we are packed up and we're getting ready to head out. So we got some Mother's Day obligations. So we're ready to go make some dinner and yeah, see Shannon's mom for Mother's Day. We're all packed up and watching planes take off, but we're taking off shortly behind them.
'cause I'm seeing it through this time. In my own company, and as the way back to your heart, well, it widens all the time. It's the first soft light of the shy desert morning that reminds my blood to come alive. Don't take me downtown.
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked that video. A little different this year. There weren't as many planes flying around, but I also didn't really do a good job of documenting all of it. Shannon and I just kind of walked down to the river, took Charlie swimming, went fishing, sat and ate dinner, made dinner the next night. So we just kind of did our own thing this year and took it easy. And I hope you enjoyed it. A little different, but yeah, until next time, like and subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you on the next one.
We got something to say. I've been waiting all night. So come on and light up